Every line is a graph of a linear equation. So the opening exercise, figure 1 and figure 2, they just want us to look at the graph and write the equation. Whenever they say write the equation, you want to write y equals mx plus b. And you're going to have a number for the m, and you're going to have a number for the b. So if you look at the graph, here is your y-axis. That's the first thing you look at. On the y-axis, you're going to see where your line crosses the y-axis. At what is this point that the line crosses the y-axis? Negative 3. So my y-intercept is 0, negative 3. So now I need to look at my line and keep following it. I can either go up or down, but if I go up, I'm going to look where my line crosses through the corner of the square. And if you look right here, this is the next point where it goes exactly through the corner. So this is at 3, negative 1. So here's your y-intercept. Here's the next point on the line. From the y-intercept, I'm going to go up 1 square, 2 squares. To represent going up 2 squares, that's plus 2. Then, to get to this point, I have to go to the right 3. To represent going to the right 3, it's a positive 3. So my slope is 2/3, 2 over 3. So if I write my equation, it's okay, you can hear. It's going to be y equals, and then we write our slope. Our slope is 2/3, followed by an x, plus my y-intercept of negative 3. So on the end of the equation, you have negative 3. So your slope-intercept form equation is y equals 2/3 x plus negative 3. Say again. Okay, we got 2/3 because we started at the y-intercept and we had to follow the line to see where the line crossed through the exact corner of the square again. And it crossed right up here. So I put the point. Then I counted up 2 and to the right 3 to get to that point from the y-intercept. And if you put the up number on the numerator and the right number on the denominator, that'll give you your slope of 2/3. So like your y-intercept is right here, and then your slope is right here. Any questions on figure 1?
No, but can I go to the bathroom?
Okay. Okay, if you go to figure 2, again, you just write the equation y equals mx plus b. But we're going to have a number for m, the slope, and a number for b, the y-intercept. If you look at the y-axis, we need to find where this line crosses the y-axis. So on point 0, 2 is where my y-intercept is. If I follow the line, I can either go up or down. If I go up, the next point would be here because the line crosses through the corner of the square here. So that ordered pair is negative 4, 3.